महागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् आ, आ, a raga's resplendence. For a very long time now, I've been wanting to do this raga exploration. Over the years of listening to both film music as well as classical music, I've gathered so many little details or trivias or anecdotes or many other things, particularly to do with film music and Tamil film music especially. If you are musically inclined, you might find this interesting and you might like it also. If you are not, you can still find it interesting. You can uncover some songs from this. For a casual music listener, if they listen to a song, they just look at the underlying emotion and then they just listen to a song and then go away. For serious music listeners, they actually do something more. They do some analysis. What raga is it based on? What is the tonality of it and all that? But if you ask composers, they prefer the former because they don't want you to know what raga they used and all that. The emotion is more important than the raga that is based on itself. But what it helps is you can keep collecting more and more songs in a particular raga, and it will want you to listen to newer songs and more rare songs if you go in this route or approach. The raga I've taken today is called Nate, which is a janya of Chalanate. In Hindustani, the equivalent raga of this is called Jog. There are so many wonderful film songs set in this raga. If I were to go back to the 80s, the evergreen classic, பனிவிழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரும் பனிவிழும் மலர்வனம் உன் பார்வை ஒருவரும் இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம் ஏஹே இனிவரும் முனிவரும் தடுமாறும் கனிமரம். How I wish I had just the guitar to just keep strumming as I sing. It's a classic by Raja. Also in this film called Singarvelan, there's this song called Innum Ennai. It exudes so much happiness and joy in you when you listen to it every time. Innum ennai enna seiya pogirai anbe anbe ennai kandal ennennavo agirai munbe munbe கைகள் தானாய் கோத்தாய் கட்டி முத்தம் தேனாய் வாத்தாய் இன்பம் இன்பம் சிங்காரலீலா. It's set in Gambhiranatha. If you're also interested, listen to this Kalinganartana Tillana sung by Surya Gayatri and Rahul Vela on YouTube. It's a firecracker, beautifully presented in Gambhiranatha. If you're classically inclined, that is. If you come roll by the years and look what Rahman has done, he has explored so many different shades of Nate. Take Iruvar for example. நறுமுகையே நறுமுகையே நீ ஒரு நாடகனில்லாய் செங்கனி ஊறிய வாய் திறந்து நீ ஒரு திருமொழி சொல்லாய் அற்றை திங்களன் நிலவில் நெற்றி தளர நீர் வடிய குற்ற பொய்கையாடியவள் நீயா. Read the setting or the picturization or even the lyrics. It's all very classical in nature, right? In the same film, he's explored a different kind of tone with Nate. Hello, Mr. Edirkatchi, கேள்விக்கு பதிலும் என்னாச்சு காத்து காத்து நாளாச்சு 18 வயசாச்சு. The heroine sings it in a club, and that's why he's given it a very jazz kind of treatment. It's so beautiful. Same film, the same raga, two different, completely different emotions and two different, completely different styles of music. In the early 2000s, the raga took a different shape altogether. முதலாம் சந்திப்பு நானறிமுகமானேனே இரண்டாம் சந்திப்பு என் இதயம் கொடுத்தேனே மூன்றாம் சந்திப்பில் முகத்தை மறைத்தேன், நான்காம் சந்திப்பில் முகத்தை கடித்தேன். காதல் வந்தது, காதல் வந்தது, காதல் வந்ததடா. இது காதல் வந்தது, காதல் வந்தது, காதல் வந்ததடா. The same raga has also rendered a folkish kind of feel as well in the Tenkasi Patnam. I don't know whether many of you have heard this song, but it often comes in some music. So all the early 2090s kids might associate with this song. அவன் ஞாபகம் அலை மோதிட, குளிர் தென்றலும் தளிர் மேனியில் கொதிக்கின்ற போலே, இளமனம் எழுதிடும் புது பாட்டு, இதை எனது உயிர் தலைவனும் கேட்டு, வளை கரத்தை வளைத்து இழுத்து குலவிட வராதோ வசந்தம் திரண்டு. Chitra has sung this, and then in the last 1 minute, it's just the magical brilliance that she has done with Nate. It's absolutely fantastic. This film was actually in Malayalam. This was remade in Tamil. In Malayalam film music, Nate holds a very, very special place. I'm sure every Malayali knows this song or even worships this song. This from this film called His Highness Abdullah. I cannot sing this song. It's Pramadamalam Vendu. It has very complex and intricate brihas that Dasetan has sung. It's a mind-blowing composition by Ravindran. What I'll actually sing for you is this song by Johnson Master. I'm a big Kirti Suresh fan. Okay? So Kirti Suresh's mom, Menaka Suresh, appears in this song. It's a beautiful piece in Nate. Moham kondu nyan dure yedo ini putana madu tedi poi neele taale talirannu poovalangalu moham kondu nyan dure yedo. To travel northwards in Bollywood, quite recently there was this film called Babu Moshai Bandukbaz, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui is there. He's a wonderful performer, isn't he? There's this excellent song. This is based in joke, and this is more like a sensuous kind of treatment that they've given to us. Ye बर्फानी रातें पिघल जाने दो, पिघल जाने दो, शीत लहर सी है सांसों में, आंच मिले तेरी बाहों में, शीत लहर सी है सांसों में, आंच मिले तेरी बाहों में, आज तो हमें जल जाने दो, जल जाने दो, जल जाने दो, जल जाने दो. Pardon my Malayalam and Hindi, I know it sounds terrible. I'll just come back to Tamil. Harris has also done some good work in Nate. In Onion is all very, very popular. Jagadananda Taraka followed by Iyengar Vittal. Like everybody knows that song. But there's this other rare song in Nate that Harris has composed. I don't know many of you know this song. It is sung by the late S.P. Balasubramanian. Yen kaadal thivasam kan paarthum va kaisir pova பல உடல்கள் மாறி உயிர்கள் ஏறியும் பயணப்படுவது காதல், காதல் சாதல் ரெண்டும் வேண்டும் அதன் சொர்க்கம் போக எங்கும் வேண்டும் கண்ணீர், அதன் சித்தம் எடுத்து ரத்தம் துடிக்குதடி. Wonderful song. Please listen to it. The interludes are just out of the world. You see how this same raga renders itself to so many different styles. It's so fluid that it can be used in a classical setting, in a folk setting, in a more jazz kind of setting. That's the beauty of this raga. So if you liked it, or even if you know many other songs in this raga as well, just leave it in the comments. We can explore them as well. Let's see if this goes well. I can do more of this in the upcoming episodes. Raga's Resplendence.